Hey everyone, the Oukitel WP55 Pro 5G is a formidable new entry in the rugged smartphone category, built with durability and high performance in mind. Designed to endure punishing environments and heavy-duty use, this phone is clearly aimed at adventurers, field workers, and anyone who wants a device that doesn't need babying. Yet it doesn't sacrifice modern smartphone features to deliver that toughness. At the center of the experience is a 6.58-inch Full HD Plus display with a sharp resolution of 1080 by 2408 pixels. What makes this screen stand out isn't just its clarity, but its smooth 120 Hz refresh rate, which makes interactions, from scrolling menus to gaming, feel quick and fluid. The panel itself is reinforced to handle drops and impacts better than standard phones, making it suitable for outdoor and industrial use. Under the hood, the WP55 Pro is powered by the Dimensity 7025 chipset, a 6nm processor that supports 5G connectivity. It's a capable mid-range chip, designed for efficient multitasking and reliable performance even under stress. The smartphone is backed by a massive 16 GB of RAM and a whopping 512 GB of UFS 3.1 storage. If that's not enough, storage can be expanded via a micro SD card, and the system supports virtual RAM expansion up to an impressive 48 GB. Ideal for power users who run multiple apps or work in demanding mobile environments. Impressively, it ships with Android 15 right out of the box, offering the latest security updates, visual tweaks, and system-level improvements from Google. Camera performance on the WP55 Pro is surprisingly ambitious for a rugged device. The rear camera system includes a 108 megapixels main sensor that captures high-resolution images with solid detail, accompanied by an 8 megapixels infrared night vision camera. A 8 megapixeles macro erzekelo kerekitiki e hatsobealitast. On the front, a 32 megapixels selfie camera handles video calls and personal photos. Battery life is one of the WP55 Pro's standout features. With a massive 11,000 mAh battery, the phone is built to run for days without a recharge. Whether you're out in the field on a camping trip or just don't want to carry a charger, this phone won't quit easily. Oukitel claims up to 77 hours of talk time and 1,375 hours of standby, and it supports 33-watt fast charging to get you back on the move quicker when you do need to top up. As expected from a rugged phone, durability is top tier. The WP55 Pro is rated IP68 and IP69K for water and dust resistance, and it meets MILSTD 810H military-grade standards for shock and drop protection. Despite the heavy-duty build, it maintains a relatively slim profile at 15.3 millimeters, which is manageable given the battery size and rugged frame. Other practical features include a side-mounted fingerprint sensor, NFC support for mobile payments or access systems, and a sturdy, grippy design that helps prevent accidental drops. Currently priced at £329 on Amazon UK, the Oukitel WP55 Pro 5G offers serious value for a rugged smartphone that doesn't skimp on modern features. From its powerful internals and high refresh display to its exceptional battery life and rugged certifications, it strikes a rare balance between toughness and tech. It's an ideal choice for those who need a device that's as reliable in the wilderness or on a job site as it is in everyday use. Thanks for watching. I hope this video was helpful. Have a nice day and God bless you.